welcome to the old wash bucket. Today, we're going to take these lights, put them in the truck, and trade them for new lights.
Oh, whoa.
You still have to work on this one and this one.
But those are blinkers. I bet if somebody turned them on, they would work. You want to see?
Yeah.
What else did you think about it?
I do like my windows.
All right, look through your window and see. Did you put the blinker on or the hazards?
Blinker.
Oh, yeah, there. See?
Not there.
All right, John, how many hours do you think you got into these lights?
Not as many as I do into the brakes.
That's valid. Are the brakes done?
No.
We're getting there.
It's black. If it's not grounded, it blinks the wrong one.
Yeah.
Went for a second.
You guys.
Yes.
I did not know that Papa John would like those.
You did.
Not getting it to go
Good
again,
thing
though.
he likes them. And this is a wash bucket. Do you want an apple? Why are these lights in here? This is the wash bucket. Why would it have walking lights? Why would it have that? Thanks for watching and bye-bye.